In front of me is Xiaomi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now select Allow in the pop-up. Then click on Allow in the other ones. And finally, tap on one of those modes, or Recorder, Calls, Apps, or FM. I will go with Recorder. When you're ready, tap on this red button to start your recording. Then select while using the app. And as you can see, after that, recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, use this left button. In order to add a bookmark, click on the right one. And if you want to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to rename your recording, you need to hold it as well. But this time click on rename at the top, type in wherever you wish to and hit OK. In order to use more recording options, click on this gear icon at the top right corner and manage all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!